What's going on here then? Hey? What are you doing at my desk? What's this thing here? Dog blood. You've just taken wolf blood and put a dog in it. It's ridiculous, mate. Go on, back to your kennel. Get rid of you canine schemer. Don't play with your ears, it's very rude. Although, actually, you might be onto something. Gives me an idea for my own show. Iain Blood, a show where I turn into a superhuman Iain. Oh, wait a minute, it wouldn't work. Nah, no one would buy that. I'm already too perfect. You know, good hair, personality, everyone likes me. Iain Blood.